Find or read reviews that people are talking about FBINSE CarPlay AI Box. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose FBINSE CarPlay AI Box. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The wireless CarPlay Android Auto adapter works with cars with factory OEM wired CarPlay. Equipped with USB A to C and USB C to C data cables, the CarPlay AI Box are compatible with most models. The adapter is suitable for iPhone 6 and above, Android phones with Android 10.0 and above. Some require Android 11.0 Plus, which supports wireless Android Auto. Note, this wireless CarPlay adapter is not applicable to Volvo/BMW, doesn't support Samsung phone. FBINSE CarPlay AI Box converts wired to wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, depending on your mobile phone OS. Easy to use Siri or voice assistant, music, phone calls, messages. Navigation, real-time navigation, Waze, and Spotify. The wireless adapter supports your original car controls, such as screen touch, buttons, and knobs, and perfectly continue your car's original mic and sound quality. FBINSE AI Box adds Android 11 system, which comes with massive apps from Play Store to your car. The adapter supports watching online videos in the car via Netflix, YouTube, or the World Cup, listening to music via Spotify, YT Music. Also, it supports playing local video and music from TF card up to 128 GB, not included. Practical split-screen operation to browse dual pages at the same time, adding more fun to your ride, especially suitable for self-driving tours. Built-in 4-core processor, 4G Netcom module compatible with nano SIM card, communication format. LTDFDD/LTE-TDD, 2.4G plus 5G dual-band Wi-Fi antenna for mobile phone hotspot networking, Bluetooth 4.2 BLE plus 5.0 BLE and satellite positioning. The multimedia video box features fast and stable transmission, reducing the delay during calls, watching videos, real-time navigation, a more smooth streaming experience. More stable connection and faster response. Easy to set up, just plug the dongle into your car's USB port, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth of your mobile phone, which you normally use to connect to CarPlay/Android Auto, pair with the box via Bluetooth. And you can enjoy wireless CarPlay/Android Auto. After the first successful connection, it can be automatically recognized and second-level boot once you start your car engine. Get rid of the trouble of phone cable, there is even no need to take out your smartphone from pocket. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.